Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever time frame zone you're watching me. My name is Esochik. My channel is basically on empowerment, health tips, teaching tips, vlogs, lifestyle, and whatever that will be beneficial to my viewers. So today, I just want to show you a simple DIY on how to unblock your sink like mine. If you have such an incident at home, I just finished my party and I found out that I have a blocked sink. So I said, let me do a simple DIY to see if it can flush out. The next, if it didn't work out, then I have to call a plumber. And you know, calling a plumber in diaspora is too expensive. Okay, so what I use to achieve my target is these two items, which is as you can see, Easy Off Drain Turbo Gel, which I bought from Bunnings, Australia, and this plunger, two plunger. Okay, as you can see. All right, so I bought it from Bunnings, Australia. That's the two things I used to achieve my target. So what I basically did, I soaked my tap with Morning Fresh, as you can see from this video. All right, so what next I did is to get this drain turbo gel, and I poured it into my water and waited for like 5 minutes. So what is the function? I need to tell you the function of this drain turbo gel as we wait for it for 5 minutes before I start doing what I'm doing. It will help to clear the drain in 5 minutes, and whatever that block your sink, whether hair, soap, grease, dirt, it will take it off, and it will eliminate odor, antibacterial, and work on standing water. And if you have little children, you have to take them off because it is so powerful and it can irritate the eyes. So as you can see from this video, so what it will basically do in 5 minutes is to flush out whatsoever that blocked your sink. Okay, so it will just take off the dirt. That's the function of this Easy Off Drain Turbo Gel. All right, so this plunger, you now use force and with manual hand, and now hit on your sink so that that force can make the whole dirt to be flushed away. Okay, so let us go ahead as we unblock this sink now. So that's what I did. In case you have any blocked sink, you can try this DIY at home, maybe before spending your money calling a plumber. Okay, I achieved the target. That's why I'm showing you guys. You know, you guys know I love you so much. Whatever that will be beneficial to my viewers, I do it and I show you live. So now this is a running water. I have 2 sections in my tap. The other one is already covered. Okay, so what I did is I covered the other side. So this one I will have to like put in my energy, my effort, so that I can see if I can unblock the sink. Okay, so see. So the other side, this side is already out. The water has already flushed out, but in the other sink there is still water. So for me to achieve that, I have to hold my hands here. So I have to, as you can see, I have to hold my hands here, cover this one so that I can use the force from with this and take out the other water. Okay, as you watch me do it. So I use my hand basically to cover this other side, while I use the force with this plunger to unblock my sink. So watch me as I do it. All right. You see? So with that force, and as you cover your hand, it will take off the whole dirt. You see? So the sink will be free. So how you know it will be free? When you on the running water, the water will start flowing out. All right, without anything. So basically, this is the DIY I did at home. What I did to achieve an unblocked sink and save me the money that a plumber would have taken. You know, calling plumber in diaspora is too expensive. So this is the two things that I use to unblock my sink. So thanks for watching. I love you. Bye-bye.